Aloha YouTube family, Obi-Wan Shinobi back today. As you can see in the background, just waiting for me to crack it open, is Panini Contenders 2015 football hobby box. We got 5 autographs per box on average, including an on-card rookie ticket signature. So if you know me, if you've been watching my channel, viewing my videos, you know who my main man is, my PC, Marcus Mariota for the Tennessee Titans. So, hoping and praying to the card father, the card gods, we can pull something nice. These are all the top rookies on the front right here. You got Melvin Gordon, Amari Cooper, Jameis, Marcus. You got Todd Gurley, Tyler Lockett. Missing, of course, is David Johnson, so it'd be cool if we could pull something of his. Without further ado, let's crack this bad boy open. Very excited for this. I may get more boxes in the future, depending. The price stays where it's at. Then we may. There we go. Here's all the packs. Let's take them all out. Cannot wait to open this stuff. I'm hoping for a nice cracked ice or something. Marcus, Jameis, something nice. Alright guys, let's get into it. Wish me luck. First pack. Football season is nearing close. Just had my fantasy draft this past weekend. Have a decent team, so hope all goes well. We got Julio, Blake Bortles, Andrew Luck, Marshawn Lynch, Antonio Gates, and a code. Second pack. Got LaShawn McCoy, Eddie Lacy, Victor Cruz, Geno Smith, and a rookie die cut, Devin Funchess. Not numbered. Nice one though. Funchess is a good receiver for the Panthers. Next pack, we got Jared Cook, Colin Kaepernick, Jamal Charles, CJ Anderson, Eli Manning. How's everyone's day going? How's your week? Any of you playing fantasy football? I know you guys are. I know like all Eli hail them. Fresh Deck or fourth quarter hits, all of those guys have a football league of their own. We got Antonio Brown, Josh McCown, Andy Dalton. First hit, Carlos Williams of the Buffalo Bills. This will be our on-card auto, not numbered, just a base rookie ticket. So we'll sleeve that one up. Here we go. Top load that bad boy. First hit. Next pack. Got Sammy B. Crowell. Picked him up on my fantasy team. Should do good this year. Expecting pretty decent numbers from him. AJ Green, another guy I got on my team. Steve Smith, and a die cut touchdown tandems, Phillip Rivers and Antonio Gates. And what a tandem they are, huh? Right? Next pack. Got Marquise Lee, Mike Evans, Cam Newton, Delaney Walker. We got a insert of MVP Contenders, another die cut. Aaron Rodgers. Cool. Tony Romo, TB12, Doug Martin, Devonta Freeman. Next auto looks like is going to be Davis Toe, rookie. Playoff ticket, number 2/49. Davis Toe. Defensive player out of Appalachian State. 5th round, pick 140. Alright. Second auto. Number 249. Sleeve him up. Come on, big hit. Mike Wallace, Julius Thomas, JJ turned down for Watt. Got Dougie B. And a pennant, Derek Carr. Cool. Hopefully we can get maybe 6 autos. We'll see. Got Arian Foster, Anquan Bolden, Andrew Luck, Marshawn Lynch, and for the Colts, Josh Robinson. I don't know about that auto. Is that a J or a 1? Anyway, the Ripper and Eli, I know you guys are Colts fans. Let me know what you think about him down below. So third auto, base rookie Josh Robinson. 2 more autos left, maybe 3. We'll just show this. The pennant, Phillip Rivers, Derek Carr, Jordan Matthews, Antonio Gates, CJ, and code. Let's get something nice. Come on. Got Aaron Rodgers, Phillip Rivers, Malcolm Floyd, Peyton Manning, and Jalen Collins. Let's see. He's a cornerback out of... Where's he out of? Doesn't say, but... There you go. Our 4th auto, Jalen Collins, rookie. Just a base rookie ticket. Jalen Collins. Alright, so we got about, I think, half the box left. Should be expecting 1 more auto. We got Dez, Julian, Sammy Watkins, Eli Manning, and a numbered Dez Bryant, 33/199. It's like a gold foil parallel or something. Nice one. Okay, Alfred Morris. We got Vincent Jackson. Matty Ice. How's he gonna do this year? Is he gonna blow another Super Bowl? Just kidding. It wasn't just him. Andre Johnson. And a Rookie of the Year die cut, Matt Jones. Okay, we got Joseph Randall, LeGarrette Blount, Nick Foles, Andre Ellington, Alex Smith. Emmanuel Sanders, Brandon Marshall, Ryan Tannehill, Tavon Austin, Larry Fitz. Code over there if you want it. So, still looking for our last auto. Maybe two, see if we can hit something nice. I hope so. Give me some mojo. Okay, we got Tyrod Taylor, Randall Cobb, Calvin Johnson, Megatron. We got OBJ, who's injured right now. And alright, looks like this is our last auto, so we're gonna save it, guys. Don't want to show it just yet. Okay, we got Jay Cutler, Eric Decker, King Sue, Jeremy Hill, and a Terry Bradshaw Legendary Contender die cut. There's a ton of die cuts in this. It's my first box of 2015 Contenders. We got Teddy B, Jeremy Mack, DeMarco Murray, Marcus Colston. One of these round numbers, Tevin Coleman and Duke Johnson. Another die cut. Looks like all the inserts in this are die cuts. Alright, we got Big Ben, D Hop, Carlos Hyde, Joe Flacco, and Kelvin Benjamin. Hopefully we can get a numbered card too. We did get that Dez, but hopefully we can get something else. Forte, Landry, AP. Oh, and looks like we did get another auto. So this one is going to be Quandre Diggs for the Lions. Eloy, the GOAT. Let me know if you know anything about this dude. I know you're a Lions fan, so Quandre Diggs. Texas boy. Maybe Trillinator might know something about him too. Quandre Diggs. Base rookie ticket. So, looks like we're going to get an extra auto, which I will not complain about. Try to hurry it up a little bit. Latavius Murray, Sankey, Gore, Sherman, another die cut of AB. AB. Okay, we got Le'Veon Bell, Travis Benjamin, Justin Forsett, Jay Stu, and another pennant of Justin Forsett. Two more packs till we get to the last auto. We got Russell, Dangerous, Charles Woodson, Deshaun Jackson, Kendall Wright, T.Y. Hilton. Alright, last pack. Kirk Cousins, Drew Brees, Rob Gronkowski, Carson Palmer, and Demaryius Thomas. Alright, come on, man. Who you hiding, Odell? Someone good, I hope. Last auto is gonna be a Cowboy, Gus Johnson. Rookie ticket. Just a base. Alright, we'll sleeve this up and I'll do a quick recap. So, we did get 6 autos. We got Gus Johnson, Quandre Diggs, Jalen Collins, Josh Robinson. We got a playoff ticket of Davis Tull, number 2/49. And our on-card auto was Carlos Williams for the Buffalo Bills. Alright, well, didn't hit our guy or any of the big names, but that's alright. Get another box probably. Still fun to rip it, see what we could get. Hope you guys enjoyed, guys. If you did, please like, comment, subscribe. Getting close to that 100 subs, so like I said in my earlier video, I'll be doing a giveaway when we get there. Thanks to all you guys. Alright, aloha. Enjoy the rest of your day.